This is Ian from Lean Media, and today I'm going to walk you through creating a buy one, get one promotion on Amazon Seller Central. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. I'm in Amazon Seller Central. This is a pro-level seller account, and what I want to do is I want to set up a so-called BOGO promotion, and basically what I want people to do is I want them to buy 5 items, and then they get one of them for free. This is how you set it up. Now, I've done videos like this before. Actually not for a couple years now, and unfortunately this whole setup Amazon has for creating them, it's still kind of complicated to use, and that's why I'm basically doing another video that shows how to do it. So bear with me, but basically what I want to do, people buy 5 of a certain type of item that I sell on my store. It's a branded item, and then they're going to get one of them for free. So let's get going. So start here under conditions. So this is basically the rules that will determine how the BOGO promotion works. And by the way, I'm not doing buy one, get one free. I'm doing buy 5, get one free. So buyer purchases at least this quantity of items, and you can change it to for every quantity of items purchased. I'm just going to do buys at least this quantity of items. So maybe they buy 5, maybe they buy 6, maybe they buy 7. They'll get one thing for free. Purchase item. Select one. Now, you also see a link here that says create a new product selection. You may need to do this first, and basically what it means is you take the ASINs that you want to be included in this promotion and then create a so-called product selection. When I select this, you'll see all of these confusing numbers and stuff like this. This is basically older product selections from coupons I've created, and for some reason Amazon shoves them into the BOGO selection as well, even though I don't want that. I'm going to select another. Also, if you want to just save time, you can do entire catalog, but warning, that can sometimes mess you up depending on the prices that you have for certain items or if other promotions are running concurrently or whatever. I'm going to do select another because I have created a special product selection of a certain type of ASIN. You can see them here. It's this one right here. 2022 kit ASINs, including red clay and sampler. So these are basically my higher priced single items that are not bundles. I have another one up here that you may see that says 7 packs and single sheets only. These are lower cost items. So I don't want to do the free promo for this. I want to do this one. The reason is because I want people to be spending, at least $20 for these items. So if it's 5 items and they're $20 a piece, that means the order size is going to be at least $20, and then they'll get one of those off for free. So I'm going to select this one, click OK. Applies to purchase items. You can also set it up for an additional item, which it's basically there's multiple ways to do the same thing. I just do purchase items. So buyer benefit applies to a quantity of 1 when buyer purchases 5 items. All right. Advanced options. You can exclude items. So let's say that I have these 2022 kit ASINs. Let's say that I wanted to include the sampler. What I would do is I would either create a new product selection for the sampler, or if I've already done it, select the sampler. So that one is not included in the promo, but I don't need to do that now. Here is an important message from Amazon. Creating multiple promotions on the same group may result in customers combining promotions for significant discounts. The reason why they're showing this is because many sellers have screwed this up by stacking promotions. I actually have another video that talks about stacked promotions and how you can really get burned. But the idea is, let's say that I have this particular promotion, buy 5, get 1 off, but I have another promotion as well, which is like get 30% off coupon. And if people are using the coupon in connection with this one, they may be getting it's discounted too much, or maybe even, this is the worst thing, the seller's losing money because there's too many promotions and the buyers are combining them. And buyers are smart. They will seek out these opportunities. So just be aware of that. Start date. So this is today's date. Basically what I want to happen is I want this thing to run from today until just before Thanksgiving, U.S. Thanksgiving. And the reason is because on Thanksgiving or after Thanksgiving, I'm going to have Black Friday, Cyber Monday promotions, separate one. So I want this one to end. So this is basically going to run about a month. Internal description, always do that so you can just tell what you're talking about, because you may have lots of BOGO promotions going on, so you need some way to differentiate them. So I'm going to say buy 5, get 1 free, October, November 2022. In the tracking ID, I'm just going to do the same thing. Just copy and paste that. Okay, here are some additional options. Gets even more confusing. Claim code, so you can set up a code if you want to do that. I'm just going to do none. 1 redemption per customer, that means they can only use it once. This is maybe, so it's actually not going to let me do that. So that's probably just for the claim code. If you are using a claim code, I would suggest doing one redemption per customer, because what you don't want happening is just like one customer taking all of the promotions, or maybe taking it away from other customers who may want to use it. And just so you know, during the holiday period, which is currently right now or in the run-up, Amazon has restock limits. So if you run out of inventory and there's no more at Amazon fulfillment centers, and just like a small group of customers is getting all the promos, that's not a good outcome, because you want the customers to apply to a wider group of people, in my opinion. Customized messaging, always do this. This is one thing that kind of bothers me a little bit. Check out display text. Amazon, the default is promotion applied. So instead, why not just say free item applied to your cart? All right, that's much more clear for people. Promotion can mean anything. So I just want to make it clear to my customers on Amazon that they're getting actually a free item if they've actually completed the right steps. Show promotion on detail page. Detail page is basically your product page. So yes, you want this promotion to be visible so people can say, oh, wow, if I buy 5 of these items, I'll get one of them for free. Okay. Purchase items display text. So again, Amazon engineers have just chosen a very generic sounding thing. Maybe what you can do to change it is say qualifying Easy Genie genealogy kits. All right, so people know exactly what we're talking about here. Standard text. So this is another example where they're just plugging in kind of the default text to describe what's going on. Purchase 5 or more qualifying items offered by i30 Media and get one of them for free. Here's how. So some of this is fine. What I want to do though is get rid of this qualifying items and also get rid of i30 Media. That's like the name of my company. It's not the name of the brand. And by the way, the reason why the brand and the company name aren't the same is because I have multiple brands. Okay. So what I'm going to say is buy 5 or more Easy Genie genealogy kits. Get one of them for free. Now, I just capitalized free. They may not allow that, but we'll see. And then I'll add restrictions. Apply. Display precedence. This is another engineering thing that makes sense to engineers, doesn't make sense to most sellers. I'll break it down. Basically, what they're doing is they're assigning a weight to the promotion. And if you have more than one promotion, let's say that I have 10 different promotions going on at the same time, I can select which one will be shown first by using the display precedence. So they actually have room for 100 different display precedents, which seems overkill. But by default it sets up to 50. If I wanted this to be like the first promotion that people see, I would choose 1. Maybe what I'll do, I don't even think I have any other promotions except for a couple coupons running, so I'm just going to set it to 5. So this will definitely be at the top. In the terms and conditions, they have Amazon has put some text there. I think this is fine. It kind of explains things in a way that meets all the legal obligations that Amazon has to apply. And hopefully, the way when you've set up your promotion up here, all these details, you know what you're doing. You have the right ASINs in stock. You know the prices are set right, and you know, as Amazon has warned, that you're not stacking promotions in a way that's going to cause you a lot of pain. Potentially. So then you go to review, and it might spot some errors. Let's see what they find. So it looks like they didn't find anything. All right. So here they did find something. Free item applied to your cart. I'm just going to say free item applied. Actually, let's see if I do free item applied to cart, if they let that go. Review again. Up to 19 characters long. All right, so I think if I do free item applied, it will work. That's less than 19 characters. All right, looks good. I'm going to click submit. I think there's a short review process, and then this promotion will be good to go. Your promotion has been created, so I think we are all set. I talk a lot about Amazon stuff on this video channel, so if you subscribe to it or like it, you'll probably see more of my videos about Amazon. Also, if you go to my official site, leanmedia.org, click on blog or video. I have tons more free blog posts and videos that really break down different types of Amazon programs, including Seller Central, Amazon Advertising, Amazon Transparency, Amazon Brand Registry, Amazon KDP, etc. My name is Ian Lamont. Thank you so much for watching.